Hi guys, throughout this teaching period I'm hoping to post a few videos to chat with you guys and explain stuff instead of just using text. So I thought I'd start with this activity, weekly activity. You'll have weekly activities that are mentioned in the learning materials pages, but for this group I wanted to start another activity that's worked really well in other psychology units, particularly with the social construction of knowledge, which is really important in the online space. So the idea is that each week as you're reading your textbook, you just jot down a couple of questions that you think are important or interesting and post those questions to the discussion board. And each week, each student is expected to answer at least 2 questions posted by other students. Now, in anticipation of quiet periods, while all students are encouraged to post questions every week, each week there will be 2 students who will be responsible for making sure at least 2 questions have been asked at a minimum. So I have created a little table there with the week in the left-hand column, then student 1 and student 2, and you just need to pop your name in the column in at least 2 weeks. So put your name in the student 1 column for 1 week and then your name in the student 2 column for a different week, and then in those weeks you need to make sure that you go to the discussion boards and ask at least 1 question or 2 questions if the other student is not around anymore. But that said, I encourage all of you to post questions each week. So as you're reading the textbook, just think about the kinds of questions that you think are important for that week or that are particularly interesting to you. Make a few notes and post it. And so the aim of this activity is 1, the social construction of knowledge, as I mentioned at the beginning, which is really, really important, particularly as we get deeper and deeper into psychology to 3rd year level. And 2, to create an exam resource, a revision resource for when you come to exam time. You can collate all of the questions that have been asked and use this as a resource or use this as a note summary of the textbook. So good luck, I hope you enjoy it. It's been really successful in other units, so at a 3rd year level I'm sure it will work really well.